Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. The day has come where we're finally going to be changing the shelving in the studio and doing a little bit of an upgrade. The reason why it's driving me mad, and as you can see, like all that storage up the top there, that's not ideal. I don't like it at all. So we're just like, let's put in some new shelves that go almost to the roof. We can do some better storage, and I cannot be afraid that all the shelves are going to fall down every single time we move something around. And yeah, basically what spurred this is yesterday I moved all of this. Let me flip it around so you can see better. Basically what I did is I switched around our overhead setup. So I moved it from one side. So this shelf was on the other side of this, and I slid it down, and then I was like, I don't like any of this now. So this is going to be replaced eventually with I'm going to build a new overhead rig from scratch with storage above it, because yeah, like as you can see, like we don't have heaps of storage, but this has been the bane of my existence for months, or almost a year. Look at that. It's just, I don't feel safe around it. So it's time to do something about it, add some extra storage. And yeah, and the other reason why I put replacing all this off for so long is because it would push everything out, and I feel like we would lose a bit of space. But because I've flipped this around, we've actually added some space on this side here. So yeah, let's do it. Come along with us while we make an absolute mess and pull everything down. It's gonna be wild. Let's do it. Claire, are you ready for the attack on the mountain? On
yes.
AI. Whoa, that was Claire. She was on camera.
I look like a thumb.
Let's do it. You ready? Should we initiate time-lapse mode?
Yes.
Are you going to stop drinking water before we do that? Or is it just...
Gotta hydrate. You want some?
I have some. Give me some. Alright, cool. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to just start passing stuff to you and we're doing it. Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Find somewhere for all of it. These are all heavy. If my gut comes out at some point, I'm sorry.
Maybe you should have worn a better t-shirt.
No, this is a long shirt. It's actually a good one. I haven't used this one. It's brand new.
Thank you.
Is that right?
What the hell?
I just did it one day.
Why would you do that?
It's Fred's cousin, but it's spinning. There you go. Thank you. There's going to be some tech archaeology in here, because it's going to be our famous 1080 Ti. Should we give away the secret from our GPU washing debacle?
No, don't.
Should we?
No. Yeah.
There's no GPU. It's just a cooler.
Cool.
Cool, man. These are all full motherboard boxes as well. All of these have motherboards far out there heavy. Almost dropped an F-bomb. They are properly heavy. There's a drive. That can live over there. Alright, what have we got here? This is a 1660 Super. We should probably put that back in the box. Oh yeah, look at this. The nice dusty one. This is actually the GPU out of my gaming PC from 2012, I'm gonna say, or 2013. It is a GTX 660 Ti. And look, it's a gigabyte one. See, I'm not a shill. I used to buy stuff too.
Wow.
What? This is a 2080 Ti. Actually.
It's mine?
No, that's mine. That's my
mine.
baby. HD 4850 512 meg GPU. I had this in a gaming PC for a while too. I had two of them in Crossfire, so baller.
It's very dusty.
Very dusty. I could barely get 45 frames per second in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 with two of those in Crossfire.
That's funny.
And that game supported Crossfire. Oh, Claire's old Titan. Look at it, it's beautiful. We still have it, it still works. I need to repaste it and put new pads on it again though, I think.
I'll never let that go.
No, we can't, because this is part of Gear Seeker's history. The first water cooled build we did on the channel, not saying it's our first ever water cooled build, but the first one we actually did a video of was with this GPU. We've got a water block for it too. So yeah, Claire had this in her system as a thing as well. Look, it's got the EK backplate on it as well. Here's some tech archaeology for those out there in the know. Look at that. It's a DFI LAN party. The P45 T2 RS Plus. This thing was an absolute weapon back in the day. I'm gonna do a build with this. I wanted to show you guys this before we put it away, but I found one of my old beastie CPUs for this, and I socketed it the other week. So one of the good quad core.
Just jams it back in the box.
Yeah. Alright, you know what time it is, ladies and gents? We made a freaking mess. We need to put it all back together now. So our studio upgrade is literally us doing new shelves. What we did is we didn't want to like show the whole building process of all of that because it would have just been boring as a time lapse. So Claire and I punched on, we had a fight, we argued, actually we didn't at all. We just got it done, and what we're gonna do now is put everything back. We used these crazy industrial tweezers. That joke's gonna die soon. But yeah, these massive zip ties, and we actually zip tied all of them together, so it's technically one big lot of shelves. So I'm gonna shut up, like I always say.
Make sure you save some of those for later.
Oh, you're gonna tie me up?
Yeah.
Don't take yourself too seriously, guys. Okay, let's do it. Shall we go? Ladies first.
Another.
Can you not? What are you doing that for? Can you not? Alright, no, we're gonna get to the big boys first, mate. After an executive decision from the Minister of Finance, we have decided that we're actually going to go another 2 tiers up. We're going to go almost to the roof, so we're going to go back to Bunnings, buy another one, because we can actually use the drop pins and go another level up, and then that's it. Then we're going to be done. But we need to go and do that before Bunnings closes, so let's go do that. And then we'll be back to make this half as high again. All right, we're done. Are we done?
I hope so.
Did you say, why don't you use your nipple this time? I was trying to use my nipple for the transition. That would have been really cool. It would be like wearing the butthole mask on
Doom Patrol.
Doom Patrol, but yeah, I don't have a butthole mask yet. Anyway, it's done. Stop being rude. The whole thing's done. We're being stupid because we're incredibly tired, but it doesn't look like much. It looks like the studio's way bigger than it is because I'm using a fisheye. So I'm gonna just pick up the camera because science and cameras and show you guys what we actually did. Right. So all the new shelving's done. We ended up going all the way to the ceiling, which wasn't the original plan, but we did it anyway. And yeah, that's basically it. We're all done. The studio is like really small. The fisheye really makes it look bigger. The only reason why I'm using a fisheye right now is literally just to fit almost everything in the frame as I'm doing this. But it's done. What are you looking at?
Why am I in it?
Because you've been in the whole thing and you're undies are in it again. They're actually mine. They're actually my underwear. Relax, all right? Next couple projects up there waiting to go. And yeah, I'm happy with it. It feels bigger. We actually have more space. So this corner of the studio, which was like a nightmare before, I can actually walk through it now, whereas I couldn't do that before. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. Are you happy with it, Claire?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gents, I think I already said we're done, but we are actually done now. I feel a lot better about the space. I don't feel like the walls are closing in on me anymore. We've got extra storage for extra stuff. It just feels really good. It might not seem like a lot to you guys or whatever, but to us, this is a big deal for us because we are slowly expanding, and this is helping us kind of get in a good mental space as well, because we can actually organize things properly. And like I said, we've got plenty of spare space now, which we never had before. And we actually have a whole nother room full of storage now too, which is a whole nother story. The streaming room, which you guys may or may not remember, we've actually put nice shelves in there too with more stuff. And we will be doing a stream, and we'll be starting to stream again soon. So you will see all of that. I'll probably do a bit on the stream where I pick up the camera and show it all and all that stuff, because it's kind of not complete right now, but it will be complete before the first time we stream. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys liked the music you heard here, obviously I make all the music. Depending on the song, it's either going to be on our Patreon, Floatplane, or available on Spotify or Apple Music. And what else? I had something else to say. Oh, next motherboard that we're doing. We haven't actually done anything with this one yet. And this is why we put new shelves in. And I moved the motherboards here. Z490 Unified, that's our next motherboard that we're going to be doing. That's our next video probably. And I'm trying to think of what else, if I missed anything. Oh, the M-Wave systems. Oh yes, I can give you guys a little bit of an update on the M-Wave systems. They will now be shipping with Gearseeker's pump tops. You can thank Cooler Master for that. Cool. All right, I'm out. Thanks for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gearseekers. Blah, 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 blah. See you later.